This is 2057 North Rhodes Pl. When I go in the back, I will stand on the porch for a minute so you can see if you can hear through the camera speaker, hear any of the car noise. So this is the floor plan that has the 2 bedrooms here to the left of the entry. Decent sized bedrooms. The guest bathroom, tub shower combo. Granite countertops, wood cabinets, and they are all the same cabinets. So this is kind of the little in-law setup. So we've got this exterior door that accesses from the porch, a little mini kitchen, and then it attaches to the bedroom and bathroom. So really a nice design, and for future resale value, that can be a really important thing with the demographics here. A little bit older demographic. Dining room, nice tray ceiling. You'd asked about the fixtures. They all are brushed nickel. The only exception to that is the handles in the kitchen. Those are that bronze, that antique bronze. So as we're walking through, hopefully you'll get a better perspective of some of that. I know it was hard on that Zoom video because of that connection we had. Here's those cabinets. They're very nicely set up with these pull-out drawers on the bottom. And I like that they did them so that sometimes the cabinets you have to open both to pull the one big drawer out. So having them separated like that makes it more functional. Nice breakfast nook. So this house is set up with formal dining, eating kitchen with a breakfast nook as well. Little butler area and laundry room. Squeeze in a little laundry sink there in between the units. And the garage. Pull out attic access. So probably a portion up there has a floor that you can store things in the attic. Here's that instant hot water. Again, this house was built in 2011. Everything seems to be in very well-maintained shape. I don't even see but just a few little places on the walls where there's any touch-up needed. Over here in the corner, I don't know if it comes through on this 3D, but all the way up in that corner there, there's something. Or it looks like somebody tried to patch. And it stands out because the paint's not perfectly matched. Up here as well, maybe from installing the blinds or something like that, there's some scrapes. But that's about all I see. Really in very good shape. So this is the main bedroom suite. Got the tray ceiling, French door to the patio or lanai. I'm going to walk you in this closet so you can probably get a better feel for the size of it. So I can walk all the way in and turn around, and that's pretty much what you get there. And then of course, standard closet on the other side. And then we have the 2 separate vanities, water closet with the pocket door, and a good sized shower. This is nice that they have a seat here, and then the shower area, and of course you can turn the shower on before you go in, so it functions well. Now you had asked about the doorways. Hopefully you can see, you can pan up and down as you watch this video. So they are all tall, good tall doorways. All right, so let's go out back. I'm going to stand out here for a minute so you can get some perspective on how it sounds. Really good screen porch. I do see a little wear and tear on the screens as I'm walking around the outside. This front screen here looks like it might have a little hole in the corner. There's the tankless water heater there. These sliders back here are tinted, so good for energy efficiency. Really pretty backyard setup back there. I'll show you inside the appliances and then I think that will do it. Not too many smudges on this stainless steel refrigerator. Did not look in the dishwasher earlier. Oh, it looks good. There's a plastic spoon left in it, but otherwise everything looks good. And you do have the trash can drawer there. So I think that does it. I will get this video to you and we will be prepared to show you this in person on Friday. Let us know if you see anything else you like. All right, thanks, Sal and Bonnie. Talk to you soon.